Hello everyone and welcome to Hey Ho Let's Tow. Just a quick one. We're putting the caravan in for service. I'm just putting the battery back in. We've emptied it all out on a previous video, and what they're going to do is they're going to clean the caravan and clean the roof of the caravan, because it's always been something that's been really hard for us to do when we're in storage. Obviously if you've got it in your house you can have hot flowing water, but we don't have that here. So I'm just going to have a quick look, see how dirty it is, because it's been a while since it's been cleaned. But while it's in servicing, they're going to give it a clean. You're going to see a before and after, how clean they get it. Generally, the caravan doesn't look too bad. It's reasonably clean. We could do with a little bit of cleaning and stuff, but it's the roof mainly that's the problem. I'm not sure if I can get the camera up there. Well, I can safely say that the caravan roof is absolutely filthy. So it's going to need a good old scrub by them when they do it. As I say, it's difficult for us to do it, so we'll just have to see what it looks like when it comes back. Hopefully it's nice and shiny and pristine. Watch this space. Battery reattached. Wasn't too much trouble this time, to be honest, so you never know. Just test it. There we go. So off it goes in for its service, and hopefully that nice clean roof.
They're not sending the good people out, they're sending the bad people out, and they put them into caravans. I think I came up with that name, but somebody did. It's a great name, a caravan.
Hello, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the intermission. Well, the caravan's been serviced and it's been washed, and let's have a look at it. Sparkling. Beautiful. Can't see any muck on it, and I can't see any black lines, and all the bits look nice and clean. The plastic bits, they are the ones that always look the grubbiest. Oh, look at that, even the wheels and tyres. Wow. Oh, and the grass has been cut. Yay. Oh yeah, that's much better. Looks brand new. Awning rail looks lovely and clean. You usually get loads of algae and gunk in it. And now the moment of truth. That rather grubby looking roof. Let's see what it's like. Well, looking at that footage, it looks absolutely sparkling. Roof looks great. I mean, I'm only about 3'2", so I can't really see it from down here, but I have to stand on the thing and put the camera up. But yeah, it looks absolutely awesome. Well worth a good clean. They did a good job there, I think. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching our caravan getting a bit cleaner. And we'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. Bye.